Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you a quick, healthy version of a kind of a chicken parm. So I have prepped ahead chicken tenders. In my pantry, I have some of my favorite marinara sauce. And in my fridge, I had some mozzarella, which stays good in there for a long time. So I'm throwing together a quick, healthy version of a chicken parm, quick weeknight protein. Look at how easy this is, and it's so yummy. So I lined up some tenders here on a little half sheet. I'm heating up my marinara, and I sliced up my mozzarella. And then this little bear is doing something. What are you doing, bud?
Getting raisins.
Getting raisins? Okay. So all we're gonna do, it's so easy. We're just gonna cover the chicken with our marinara. And then my oven is heating up on broil because after the sauce is warm, you want to heat up your chicken tenders. Yeah, you want to heat up your chicken tenders a little bit in your oven around 300 for about 10 minutes.
You making pizza?
I'm not making pizza right now, sweetie, but we can do that tomorrow. You just got to give me a heads up. Okay, so we're gonna do that, and now what we're gonna do is just layer the cheese all over it. And then we're gonna pop it into our broiler. So I'm gonna cover this with cheese. Okay, so now this is gonna go into the broiler for 5 minutes. Okay. Be careful, it's very hot. Let's set a timer for 5 minutes. You gotta be really, really careful. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful. Whoa. Beautiful. Yes, sweetie. Dinner's ready. Beautiful, healthy, delicious. Took hardly any time at all. I had my greens washed ahead of time. I had my quinoa already cooked. I had my chicken already cooked. Super easy, healthy. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another video. I cannot wait to eat this. See you soon.